Welcome to Fonts Learn. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to download and install Microsoft SQL Server 2019. First, you need to go to Microsoft's website, then select the version of SQL Server you need to download. Next, you will enter the registration information. After completing, you will receive the installation file. You need to open the installation file and then choose to download the media file to your computer. After downloading the installer, you need to click on the setup file to proceed with the installation. To install SQL Server, you need to click on Installation link, then select New SQL Server Standalone Installation or Features to an existing installation. Next, select the version of SQL Server you want to install. If you have a product key, you can enter it in the text box. Next steps you just follow I am doing. If you want to install Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio, you can click on Install SQL Server Management Tools at the installation screen, then download and install it to your computer. You can easily interact with SQL Server databases by using Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio. After completing the installation of SQL Server Management Studio, you can connect to your SQL Server database like I was doing. Thank you for watching this video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.